Hello students, today we are going to be going over 1.5, writing exponential equations from graphs and tables. Our objective is to learn how to write those equations, from story problems, giving answers in context. Exponential equations are written in the form y equals a times b to the x plus c. A is the initial value and b is the growth or decay factor. When b is greater than 1, then there is exponential growth. So if it's greater than 1, then your graph is going to go like that, up. If it's actually between 0 and 1, then it's decay, which is going to be going like this. Kind of curved like that. So hopefully you can see that okay. Maybe I should zoom in just a little bit more so you can see that better. Okay, so growth, decay. Okay, now for this assignment, c equals 0 on all equations. So basically c, if they added like 3, that means the graph has moved up 3. If they went like -2, that means the graph has moved down 2. But in this situation, or for this lesson, all the c's are going to be 0, so you don't need to worry about it moving up or down. So the steps to write an exponential equation from the graphs in the table. Put the values into the table with the x values increasing. Calculate the factor of b. So we have to go, b is y1 divided by y sub 0, y2 over y sub 1, and so we take the one and we subtract it from the other. So if we look at this one, we take the second one here, we see that this is an increment of 1. And that's exactly what we want. So we take the second one here and we say 6 and we divide it by 3. Normally for linear equations, we would take this, subtract this, divided by this, subtract that. Now for exponential functions, we take the second number and divide it by the first one. So 6 divided by 3, and since this is 1, we don't need to worry about it. And the answer is 2. Then we know after we divide, that's going to be what b is. So b is a factor of 2. Now, since that's greater than 1, we know it's going to be exponential growth, and we know the graph is going to look like this, going up. Now, what is the initial value? In other words, where's the y-intercept? And that is at 3. So then it's super easy to write your equation, y equals 3, your initial value a, times 2 raised to the power of x. Okay. Next, we are going to go on and do one of the problems from in the notes. So we're going to jump to number 6, which is on page 20, and we're going to write our numbers in the chart. Okay, so we have this chart here. I usually do an XYT chart, but they make a full table like that, and that's fine. So for our values of x, we go over here and we say, oh, let's see, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it goes all the way up to 12. So -2, 12. Then we go -1, 6. And then we go 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So B would take the second number, 6 divided by 12. Can you still see that okay? I want to bring it out just a little. So 6 divided by 12. So B equals, again, the second number divided by the first number, making sure these are going by ones. If it's by 1, then you're perfect for that. We simplify it, and it's 1/2. So that's what we put over here. Okay. Now we have to find out what A is. Okay. So then A is going to be where it crosses the y-axis here. And it crosses at 0, 3, so A is 3. So our equation again is y equals, oops, I guess I could put it over here. Y equals A, which is 3, times B, which is 1/2, and we should put that in parentheses, weight raised to the x power. So again, that's not very pretty. So y equals 3 times 1/2 raised to the x power. Okay? It's not bad at all. Let's try another one because we're having so much fun. Okay, this is number 7. So we see now we do not necessarily need to have a graph. We can find out what the equation is simply from a table. Okay, so we see that this is going by ones, and actually since it has 0, we can put what A is right away. So A is 500. Okay, so when x is 0, y is 500. So now to figure out with B, since these are going by 1, we can take 875 and we divide it by, let's see, actually we'd have to do it the other way around. No, that's right. 875 divided by 500. Let's see what that equals. Take your handy calculator. And we get 875 divided by 500. Can you see that? And the answer is 1.75. Okay, so we say B is 1.75. Now, is that going to be a growth or decay? Since it's bigger than 1, it will be a growth. And you can tell it's a growth because as these numbers go up, these numbers are also going up. Okay? So that would be an exponential function. So you know it's going to be going like this. Okay? And it's a growth. Okay? So our equation, y equals A, 500, times B, 1.75, raised to the x power. So again, there's our exponential equation. Okay? All right, students, you need to go on to page 21. There's only 4 problems there. It should be easy peasy. Okay? Good luck, students. You rock.